Sekuyisonto futhi sesizoqala uhlelo lwethu olusha. Ngabe senizilungiselele yini na? Ozani ke siqale ukudumisa uJesu.
This the light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This the light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This the light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This the light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This the light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This the light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Jesus is the light, I'm gonna let him shine. Jesus is the light, I'm gonna let him shine. Jesus is the light, I'm gonna let him shine. Let him shine, let him shine, let him shine. I will stomp my feet and I will clap my hands and shout, shout. I will run around and I'll jump off the ground and shout, shout. I will stomp my feet and I will clap my hands and shout, shout. I will run around, I'll jump off the ground and shout, shout. This the light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This the light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This the light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. And I will stomp my feet and I will clap my hands and shout, shout. I will run around and I'll jump off the ground and shout, shout. Jesus is the light and I'm gonna let him shine. Jesus is the light, I'm gonna let him shine. Jesus is the light and I'm gonna let him shine. Let it shine, let him shine, let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine.
I'm reading my B.I.B. early, and this is what it says to me. It tells me that I'm never ever alone. I'm learning how Jesus came down to us and gave his best. Without a doubt, the best friend you'll ever know. Our God knows exactly what I need, so I remember this. Let's go! When you ask, he cares. When you seek, he's there. When you knock, 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 God opens up the door. When you ask, he cares. When you seek, he's there. When you knock, 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 God opens up the door. Oh, oh. I'm reading my B.I.B. early, and this is what it says to me. It tells me that I'm never ever alone. I'm learning how Jesus came down he's there. When you knock, 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 God opens up the door. When you ask, he cares. When you seek, he's there. When you knock, 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 God opens up the door. Exactly what I need, so I remember this. Let's go. When you ask, he cares. When you seek, he's there. When you knock, 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 God opens up the door. When you ask, he cares. When you seek, he's there. When you knock, 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 God opens up the door. You opened up the door.
Sanibonani Sunday School. Ngiyathemba ukuthi nonke niyaphila ni-right sengizenzana. Okay, i-memory verse yethu yanamhlanje itholakala kubaseKolose chapter 1 verse 16 no-17. Othini otholakala kanje, ofundeka kanje. Ngokuba kwadalelwa kuyo konke okusemhlabeni nokusezulwini, ngokubonwayo nokungabonwayo, konke kwadalwa kuyo, nokuba neziphathimandla, konke kwadalwa ngayo, kwadalelwa yona ingaphambi kwakho konke, ingaphambi kwezinto zonke, nazo izinto ezimiyo zimi ngayo. Sikhuluma ngani ngenkukhu? Amen.
Sanibonani nonke emakhaya, ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila nami ngiyaphila. Ngaphambi kokuba siqale indaba yethu namhlanje, ngisacela ukuthi sithandaze. Baba, siyabonga ngothando lwakho, siyabonga ngomusa wakho, siyabonga ngokusigcina, siyabonga ngokusinakekela. Namanje sazozwa izwi lakho, cela usivule amadlebe sibuze ukuthi uthini. Indaba yethu-ke yanamhlanje itholakala lapha kuGenesis sokuqala. Lapho khona uNkulunkulu edala umhlaba. Phela uNkulunkulu wadala konke. Wathi sekudalile wakubuka wabona ukuthi kuhle. Sizoyibuza ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungubani? uNkulunkulu ungubaba kithi, aphinde abe inkosi, aphinde futhi abe ngumdali. Ngoba phela wadala mina, wadala nawe, wadala konke kusemhlabeni. Konke kwavela ngaye. Lapha sithola ukuthi uNkulunkulu waqale wadala izulu nomhlaba. Phela kwakungekho lutho emhlabeni, umoya wakhe uphezulu kwamhlaba wonke. Wathe khuluma kwavela, wathe khuluma kwadaleka isimanga leso. Waqala-ke wadala izulu, wadala nomhlaba. Wakhuluma kwabakhona. Ekukhulumeni kwakhe kwaba khona ukukhanya. Wahlukanisa amanzi nesibhakabhaka. Ngoba phela wakudala nakho ngomlomo. Esekudalile wathi kuhle. Waphinde futhi wakhuluma kwadaleka, wadala izihlahla, isihlabathi, izitshalo nezithelo. Konke kwavela ngaye. Waphinde futhi wakhuluma wadala izilwane. Izilwane zasemanzini, izilwane ezindizayo, izilwane zasesihlabathini. Konke sekudalile wakubona wathi kuhle. Waphinde futhi wabuka umhlaba osekudalile wabona ukuthi kuhle kakhulu. Muhle umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. Nawe nje uma uthatha ubheka ubuka izihlahla, ubuka izintaba, ubuka umhlaba, uyabona ukuthi kuhle ngempela. Ubuke ulwandle, ladala uNkulunkulu futhi nalo luhle. Wadala wena, wadala nami. Futhi nathi sibahle. Ngakho-ke kumele sihlale sazi ukuthi thina siyizidalwa zaNkulunkulu futhi uyasithanda. Konke akudalile wakubuka wathi kuhle.
beginning, nothing existed except for God. God created the heavens and the earth. The earth had no shape, and darkness covered the earth. The Spirit of God was there, hovering over the waters. God spoke, "Let there be light." What God said happened. God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day, and he called the darkness night. Evening came, and then morning came. That was the first day. God spoke again. "Let there be an expanse between the waters to separate them." What God said happened. He made a space between the water that was on the earth and the water above the earth. God called the expanse sky. Evening came, and then morning came. That was the second day. God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered into one place, and let the dry land appear." What God said happened. God called the dry land earth, and he called the gathered water seas. God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the earth make plants and trees with fruits and seeds." What God said happened. Plants and trees grew, and God saw that it was good. Evening came, and then morning came. That was the third day. Next, God placed lights in the sky. God created the sun to shine during the day and the moon and stars to shine at night. God gave us lights to shine on the earth, to separate day from night, and to help us track time in days and years. God saw that it was good. Evening came, and then morning came. That was the fourth day. Next, God made creatures that move and swim in the water. He made birds to flap their wings and soar across the sky. God saw that it was good. God told the animals to multiply, and they filled the seas and the sky. Evening came, and then morning came. That was the fifth day. Then God made more animals, livestock, creatures that crawl, and wildlife to live on the earth. When God said it, it happened, and God saw that all of it was good. Jesus is the Lord over all of creation. The Son has always existed. The Bible says everything was created by him and for him, and he holds everything together. All of creation exists to bring God glory.
Quiz time! Get ready to see what you've learned today.
Sanibonani futhi sekuyisikhathi semibuzo. Umbuzo wami wokuqala uthi uNkulunkulu waqala ngani ukudala? Yini le uNkulunkulu waqala wayidala? Umbuzo wami wesibili uthi yini le uNkulunkulu ayihlukanisa ngesikhathi edala? Yini le uNkulunkulu ayihlukanisa ngesikhathi edala? Nisale kahle nonke emakhaya, ngiyathemba ukuthi kukhona enikufundile futhi nizokwazi ukuxoxela uma, nixoxela ubaba, nixoxela ubhuti omdala, nixoxela usisi omdala ekhaya.
Can you guess what today's animal is going to be? Remember that if you don't have the exact same things as in the video, you can be creative by coloring in blank paper the color that you need, using scissors to cut, and finding other things that might help you.
Hayi, impela ngisakwazi nokulinda ukuze ngibone ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani ngokuzayo. Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi nikwazi ukuhlanganyela nathi. Sinifisela iviki elimnandi nokuthi siphinde sixhumane koZoom Connects. Enza isiqiniseko ukuthi nithola usuku olufanele nezikhathi ezifanele. Abaku preschool kuya ku grade 2 bahlangana ngoLwesihlanu ngo-2 emini. Bese ke abaku grade 3 kuya ku grade 7 bahlangana ngoLwesihlanu ngo 3:30 ntambama.